Hey guys, good day to everyone. So we got something from our suggestion box from Mr. R. I'll just translate it to English so that most of you will understand what the Mr. R said. Hi Doc, good morning. Please add content on YouTube for beginner streamers. How to set up a stream for the first time. For sure, it will really help aspiring streamers. Okay, so the first thing that you need to worry about is you need a proper or decent CPU and GPU. First, make sure your computer can run the game before you start streaming it. And then from there onwards, you have to make sure that you have the minimum specs to be able to stream a game. So I got a link below here in the description for the minimum specs you need for a streaming PC, because the lower end your components are, the lower quality that you will be limiting yourself to. So if you have a low-end PC, don't expect the quality to be all that great, but you can tweak it and adjust it to your liking to be able to optimize it for your own. Like streaming in a lower resolution is doable in lower-end systems. So you just check the description below for that. Second essential step is you need to make an account on the streaming platform that you wish to stream at. For example, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook. But for me, I personally use Twitch because I just love Twitch. I've been a viewer for a long time now. I think for maybe 6 or 7 years, and I've been streaming on the platform for 4 months now. Yeah, the third step now is you need to download a broadcast application such as OBS, Streamlabs, Stream Elements. Let me show you. Here you go. So yeah, this is twitch.tv. I just found this. You can actually download the stream tool from here. So what you gotta do is, from the Twitch website, you just go to, you press once you make an account, you press here on your profile picture, and then you go to, where's creator dashboard? Okay, hold on. Okay, forgive me. Yeah, this is my channel. So just press this, then go to creator dashboard. Let me just show you real quick. And then you go to streaming tools. Here you have options of different broadcast applications. The most popular ones are OBS, Streamlabs OBS, and OBS Live. The one I'm using is Stream Elements OBS. I think it's OBS Live. Yeah, it's OBS Live. This is the one I'm using. So yeah, just click download, and starting the application is to run it as administrator. So you prioritize the CPU usage in that particular application. In OBS, it makes a lot of difference. I mean, in the broadcasting software, if you do that, it makes a lot of difference in the FPS. You get higher FPS if you run it as admin, and you'll see less stuttering during your stream. So this is how you do it. Search stream. Stream Elements is the one I showed you. This is my broadcasting software. Then you just right click, run it as admin. I cannot do it right now because I'm using OBS to record this video. Okay, so basically this is what you press, and then from there onwards, let me show you. Okay, so first go to files, go to settings, then go to general. Make sure it's dark default because the white background is scuffed. You don't want that stuff. Alright, then go to stream. Choose your streaming platform minus Twitch, server auto. Then you can connect your account here, or you can use a stream key from your dashboard, creator dashboard on your preferred streaming platform, and you can paste it here. Alright, and then maybe you can check this one to enable bandwidth test mode so you can see. But yeah, so these are my settings for streaming. I use nvenc as an encoder, okay, because you do have some other selection as well, options. You have x264, which uses up your CPU, but I would say go with the NVIDIA nvenc, especially if you have a NVIDIA graphics card. All right. And then enforce streaming service encoder settings, just to stay on the safe side, just to abide by the bitrate rule of your preferred streaming platform. So for Twitch, it's 6000 kbps. That's the maximum for non-partners, and the maximum for partners is 8000 kilobyte per second. Keep rate control. Rescale output, don't touch it. Rate control CBR. If you're recording, CQP is better, as shown here over here. If you want to record, check out these settings over here. Just copy paste it. So for streaming, I stream at 5000 kbps just for preference. If you stream lower, it's lower quality. If you stream at a higher bitrate like 5000, 6000, 8000, it's much of a higher quality, but it uses up more GPU power or more CPU power to be able to stream that much of bitrate, and it uses up your internet upload speed. So make sure you have a decent internet upload speed as well. Take that into consideration when you're streaming to high bitrate, or else your stream is gonna it will lag. It will lag, it will stutter. So I keep the keyframe interval into 2, and then preset max quality because I have an RTX GPU. If you have RTX GPU 2060 or higher, you can choose max quality as your preset, but if not, I would suggest just going with quality. If you have a GTX 1080 or 1070, 1016, just go for quality. If lower than that, maybe you can go performance, which helps a lot. Alright, so profile, high, or main are the most common options for this. For look ahead, it's not really mandatory. You can untick this one if your GPU is suffering, if you're getting frame drops. You can also untick this one if you have frame drops. But so basically it just improves the quality of your gameplay stream, especially it's on FPS. This is very good for you. For GPU 0, max B frames 2. Oh yeah, for those of you who are asking why 5000, because 4500 kilobyte per second is the minimum for a 720p stream, 60 fps. So I use 5000 just to give some allowance for it. If you want to stream at 1080p, you have to make sure your bitrate is at least 6000 kbps for a smooth stream. Alright, so moving to audio, 48 kilohertz. It's 48 because it's the same as my system sound settings. For video, this is the important part. Its base resolution should be 1080, 1920 by 1080. Output resolution is the resolution in which your stream is gonna appear to be. It's gonna be scaled to that resolution. So I set mine to 1280 by 720. That means it's at 720p, and the common FPS values is set to 60 because I want it to be 60 FPS. If you want to stream at 30 FPS, make sure this is 30. For downscale filter, I use LANCOS. My computer can handle it. If you have a decent GPU CPU, just pick bicubic and LANCOS. Those are two most common setting for downscale filter. LANCOS is, I think, more sharper because it has 36 samples compared to bicubic, which is 16. I can't view it right now because I'm recording. So yeah, never mind the hotkeys. Process priority, normal, blah blah blah. That's it. Okay. For hotkeys, it's just for the scenes. Then just click OK. Okay, so next step, what scenes does a beginner streamer actually need to start up his stream? Okay, let me tell you this. You don't need those fancy starting soon or end stream scene. Once you know this, the most basic one, you should be able to grasp everything else, you know, just by experimenting and just trying out experimenting new stuff. So as you can see over here, we have a couple of scenes, starting soon scene in game. So let's see, let me check. Alright, let me enable preview for a bit. Alright, so nothing. Alright, that's black screen. Alright, so this one, let me just lock it so I don't confuse you guys. So just press the plus sign if you want to make a game capture scene. Plus sign, right, game scene. This will be your main scene or your main scene. Let's add scene, okay? Alright. So for example, this is the main scene. for example, because if I move on to that main scene over there, it won't show. So I'm just showing you right now main scene. So wait, this is not game capture. Hold on. All right, so we're using the main scene right now. Okay, never mind this one. Okay, main scene. All right, this is the main scene. This is where you want to put the game capture. So you go to sources over here. These are the scenes, but in those scenes we have sources. Okay, then this is like teaching in medical school or something, teaching computer class. All right, so you go to plus sign to add new source. You go to game capture. So for the game capture, create new, yeah, and then this should show up. Capture any full screen application or create. I like to use a capture specific window so it can specify. So in this window tab, in the mode of capture specific window, I just pick the game that is opened up right now. Make sure your game is open before all this happens. Okay, just click Dead by Daylight. This is the game, then press OK. All right, let's enable preview. Now it showed up over here. You see it on my screen, right? Okay, that's it. So now that we have made that, let's add our webcam. Okay, so for the webcam, just press plus sign and then video capture, then video capture device. I'm gonna add the Logitech Brio, I guess. Yeah, this is the Logitech Brio. This is my webcam. The settings are not really changed, but I'm gonna add it. Alright, now you see it. There you go. And then I can just go to my game and we can play. You can enlarge it by clicking on the edges, the red markers over here. Okay, that's it. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. After that, you can just click start streaming. It should stream directly to the website of your choice. For me, it's Twitch, so if I press start stream, I'm gonna start there, and you should be able to see here below that you're streaming live. Okay, and then here you can monitor your CPU usage. So I'm at 60 FPS. You can see the duration of your live here. Since I'm recording, it's over here. You can see it over here. And then after that, if you want to stop stream, just click stop stream over here. For me, it's stop recording. And then after that, just exit. Make sure you run this broadcast server and administrator for the smoothest experience. Okay, that's it, guys. So yeah. Oh yeah, a few more things by the way before I end this video. So every time you put something here, like for example, this is the game capture, right? I'm gonna go to it. Hold on. Yeah, this is the game capture. Enable preview. So you see my webcam is over here on top of the game, right? So I can also, so if I put it like on the source list here, let me show you. Okay, on the source list over here, you see that the game, that my video capture device in the source list is above my game capture. All right, so if I put my video capture below it, oh wait, no, it should look like this. See my cam disappeared. So you make sure that your video capture device is above your game for it to show up. You can hide stuff like that over here. Then so this is the video capture above the game capture. This is the game capture above the video capture. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's pretty much it. I hope I helped you guys out, aspiring streamers out there. Keep going, enjoy your streams, don't think of it as a job, and I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. This is DoctorLiquid, and if you want to catch me live on Twitch, it's twitch.tv/DoctorLiquid. Also check out my other socials. I have a Discord community. I have here you go. I have a YouTube. I have Twitter with updates of the next YouTube video or the next stream updates and all those stuff. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in. And good luck. Good luck to you guys and have fun. All right. Love you all. Peace out. Doctor is out.